Immigration attorneys and advocates in Denver say they have been seeing a drop in attendance at required immigration hearings.
9 News reporter Ria Jaw joins us from the federal courthouse. Ria, they say fear is keeping people away.
Yeah, and this isn't surprising because when we were here a few weeks ago covering that initial arrest that ICE made, we spoke with advocates who said people were going to be afraid to show up to their hearings. Now volunteers are stepping up to make people feel safer.
To have 30 master calendar hearings in one day, that's not unusual.
On a day with dozens of hearings in Denver's immigration court, David Usser says the hallways are supposed to be packed.
The hallways are empty, and out of the 30, only 3 showed up.
David is referring to one day in court that he and others with the Colorado chapter of American Immigration Lawyers Association went to monitor what was happening. One day that he says became a pattern.
They were just not showing up anymore because they were all afraid of being detained.
He says these no-shows at immigration hearings started 3 weeks ago after ICE detained a family as they were leaving the courtroom. Just this Tuesday, ICE detained another person in the bathroom of the courthouse.
So the fear is real, and it's not based on fiction. It really is happening, and that's why we are monitoring what's going on.
If someone doesn't show up to their hearing, the judge can issue what's called an in absentia removal order.
And now ICE has the right to arrest you, detain you, and deport you because you have a final order of removal. So your case is done. So it's the worst thing that you can do if you want to stay in the United States is to not show up at your hearing.
In hopes of reassuring people to attend their hearings, attorneys like David and volunteers with advocacy groups like the American Friends Service Committee are rotating shifts as court watchers.
And that's really our job, is to make sure that the respondents are informed.
Hoping to make people feel safe showing up before fear leads to something worse.
You should go to court, you should show up, you should tell the judge your story, but you should not be railroaded by the government.
I spoke with someone at AFSC who said their group of court watchers has grown to roughly 100 people, which is significantly more than they had a few weeks ago. They rotate shifts, accompanying families, handing out flyers, and documenting observations every day here at the courthouse. Reporting live in Denver, Ria Jaw, 9 News.